Let the streaming commence. This is my first ever official joint stream. Do you guys know that? Well, he's not as cool as I am, so he's not streaming. Pastor James, you gonna stream? Told you he wasn't as cool as I am. But hey, you know what? We take things very seriously here. All right. So, by the way, gentlemen, today is Theology Thursday. So I expect some theological questions while we're doing our development here. We mix theology and technology. Ooh, that's good. Ooh. I gotta break that down. Hold on a second. Theology Thursday. Mixing technology and theology. Ooh, that's good, guys. I got that written down. I'm gonna remember that. Oh yeah. Theology Thursday, mixing technology and theology. I hope I spelled that right because I'm gonna look really dumb. Let's check that. Spell check, please. Tell me I didn't misspell that. Nope, I think I spelled it right. Hot diggity dog. How cool is that? All right. So I should have named it that. I didn't name it that. Hey, idiots are welcome. So I think you meant ideology is what you meant. That's good. All right. So did you separate the head from the body? Huh? What? I'm not wired like that. So you're trying to make the barrel turn. All right. Well, that's not what you said. That's the barrel. The turret is the part that turns turret. That's the barrel you're talking about. I'm just saying. All right. So, Pastor James, how are we doing on the overlapping UVs? Is this for the little light in the on the thing? So, do we need to share your screen? Yes, sir. James, you're not live, sir. Now you're live. Sharing screens live. Watch stream. Why can't I watch stream? I want to watch. That's Tim's stream. I don't want Tim's. All right. So Unreal Engine's closed. That's okay. So hit close. And hit pull again. So did you change all those things right there? All right. So yeah, that's all the changes I made. I told you to pull latest, man, before you got started. Why does it want you to stash changes? I don't understand. Pull again. Hey, Andy's here. What's going on, Andy? Yep, I'm here, but I'm also sleeping. Good naps. So basically, it's trying to say that those things you changed, and so there's going to be a conflict with the changes that you've made. Unable to pull changes when present in your branch. Following files would be overwritten. Well, we don't mind that. Did you try to do it while you had Unreal Engine open? Yeah. See, I think that's where it gets befuddled. Yeah. Um, Go ahead and oh my goodness, it's all of them. It's not just a couple. I didn't realize it was that big of a list. Hit close. Let's think about this. What can we do? Um, go up to branch. Discard all changes. Try that. Are you sure you want to discard our 400 changes can be restored by retrieving them from the recycle bin? Yes. You got nothing you need to save, right? All right, cool. Discard. That's what I should have done when I got my error. All right, here you go. Now pull origin. By the way, Pastor James, did you see Andy's here? Yeah. So you can go into the Missionary Gamer live stream on YouTube. So go to YouTube and there I am. That's the new one. Let's see. And go to live now. And now you're in the chat, so you can say no thanks. Yeah, I'd kill the. I would just pause that so you don't have to have double. But if you do no thanks on your little bar down there, where it says, there you go. All right. So now you can say hi to Andy. Say hi, Andy. You guys are gonna have someday. You're gonna learn how to capitalize the letter. All right. So if you click on the little three dots there, you can pop it out of your view. Ooh, go back. So you can pop it out. There you go. Now you can check. All right. So now you've got all. Just do fetch origin again, just to make sure we're good. All right, everybody's happy. Okay, so now open the project back up. And is this something you got to fix in Blender? Or you're saying we can fix it in Unreal? All right. And if you export to the same folder, you can just do that re-import thing. Yeah, with your UV map, right? I think. All right. Uh, Brandon's in the house. Hey, Brandon, how's it going? This one you thought it was safe. Brandon has arrived. All right, we got a new tagline for today. I am just so tickled with myself. I can't tell you how much I dislike the fact that I can't get the silly YouTube chat box and in the window. But look at this. We got Theology Thursday, mixing technology and theology. I like that. That's just making my day. All right. So did you export it with a light map? or UV map? You mean the UV map? I see what you're saying. Okay, so it's not something you necessarily do in Blender then. Did you change something in Blender? Well, then don't bother exporting again because you're not going to change anything. Well, again, you can. You're not if you're not doing something when you do it. Go ahead and export it. So I thought there might be something cool like that. I like the rhyme. Nice. Yeah, I was a little tickled. What are you doing? Like, I can't watch your mouse. It's going to make me motion sickness. Yeah, I think the problem is bringing in changes with Unreal open. It changes one file. Unreal tries to update all the other files. That triggers a sequential change scenario and befuddles everything. I like befuddle. That's my word. All right. So, are you gonna import a different mesh? Gotcha. Go for it. All right. So, which is the option you gotta check for the UVs? I see UVs right there. Generate light map UVs. Sorry, checked. What I'm saying. Import normals. I mean, it's checked. Generate light map UVs. It wasn't saying it didn't have UVs. It was saying the UVs are overlapping. I don't know what an overlapping UV even means. But is it an issue with the mesh, or is it an issue with the material? Well, then importing the mesh won't make a difference. So do we got to fix the materials? Yeah, you had that checked. Oh, we did. Oh, we didn't do that. That's new. Where's that at? Once a light map UV has been generated, it can be adjusted in the static mesh editor using the light map generation settings in the detail of the build settings, but there is no requirement for ever to touch these once the light map UV has been generated. All right, so go into the actual mesh. That's the blueprint. That's not the mesh. You got to find the mesh. I don't know where we put it. Should have put it in a. Outpost tag map. So outpost tag map's a base map. Outpost tag daylight. That is a streamed level that I would have liked to have eliminated, but they put stuff on it that is not in the base map. So it's a mess. Like we already realized. So All right, so if you do a build right now, yes. It's, I like how it sends me a notification to Missionary Gamer that Missionary Gamer's live. I know, I am Missionary Gamer. All right, so it's still building. I still don't understand what that error is. Not having null property. I wonder if it's in my, absolutely it's in there, it's calling property. That's on me, that's not on you. All right, so light map completed. And it's still going. Done? Nope. See, there you go. So go ahead and click on that. One of them. There's the mesh. All right. Now, what's interesting is that dude, you just like, really? All right. So what's odd is that's not the one we're using, is it? Well, no, it's not. But what's the one right to the left? I will double click and open that because that's weird. Because that not that one. Double click the one that's that's not the one I had a problem with. Open the one that has a problem with. All right. So what's weird is, um, why are the materials not showing up on that? So open up the other one. Don't you don't need to close them every time, but it'll open them up in the same thing. So that one's beam 0, beam PT, beam. Now open up the new one. You can minimize this. There you go. Then open up the number 2. Okay, so those are the same materials, but they're blank. Do a on the first one that's on the tab there. The tab for beam 01. Danny says I gotta go finish some work, then I'll come back. Right to that, sir. Click on. Yeah, we're live streaming, dude. I'm not on Twitch. I'm on YouTube. Um, go to the find button, the little measure. Yeah, that thing. Click that once. Now go to the other one. Go to the other tab, and click the arrow for that. That's the first one. You want that one. That was the wrong one. On the second one. There you go. All right. Now do the same thing for the third one, which is the second one on the first one. You can't even make that up. All right. Now put the second one on the third one on the second one. There you go. All right, there's that. Now you got to fix that first one. That should be, we don't have a light here, so you're going to have to drop that down and find whatever we used. I forget what it was. Some emissive color or something. Is that it? That's not. There it is, right there. That one's blinking. You can try it. I don't know if it blinks. Yeah, that's not. Oop. Whoa. Ain't that fancy? Yeah, we don't want fancy. Not quite. Um, it's amazing what you can do with materials. Oop, what's that? No, it's not. We want something emissive. You just try typing EM. EMI. Oh, emissive. There you go. All right, so see if we can find something emitted in there. Scroll up. Get a much smaller list now. There you go. Beautiful. All right. So save that. Now it said in the details pane there was a setting in there. Go back to the document where it said the setting is. Go back up. Sorry for being so rude. Didn't realize you were streaming. All right, we'll forgive you. All right, details in the build settings. Using the light map generator settings in the detail panel built in. Once the UV has been generated for a static mesh, it can be adjusted in the static mesh editor. Using the light map generation settings in the detail. Go see if there's a. I don't see light map in there. Oh, what's that button do? Um, I don't see. I mean, it said in the details pane, but I don't see a build settings in the details. Can't be that. Oh, there's more stuff in there. Well, that would help. So general, yeah, whoa, general settings. See general settings right there? And then, yeah, that looks like it. Go ahead and expand that down a little bit. There's a, yeah. There's nothing. You know, you have a show advanced. You think, there would be something advanced in there. Hello. Generate, hover over that mesh distance field. What is that? You gotta hover over the text and it'll tell us what it is. Whether to generate a distance field for this mesh, which can be used by distance field indirect shadows, or sure, why don't we generate one of those? Try upping the light map resolution to add another 8 to that. So would that be 70? All right, now hit save. And I'll remind you again, we're paying the price for somebody else's asset. This is not something you built. So, all right, go ahead and minimize that, and let's do another build and see if that fixes all these errors. Hope, hope. Tim, you better be ready with your barrel separated from your other thing. Tim? Tim? Like I says, I didn't realize you're streaming. Did I not tell him we're streaming? No, it was exact words coming out. Hey, Tim, we're streaming. Still says it's live, too. The stream, what we got? Ah, he separated a whole bunch of stuff. Tim, I can't hear you. You're talking. Saying. There you whoa, hello. Why did you pull that little piece off? That's not a turret, that's your barrel. No. I legitimately do not know what you mean. What is that you're doing there? What are you doing? You could not sound like a little girl next time you say it. That'd be awesome. All right, watching Pastor James again. All right, so oh, that's ugly, Pastor James. So ugly. Light map UVs are overlapping by 39%. Adjust, please adjust, slide to the right. Please adjust content. Enable error coloring to visualize. We'll open it back up, see if there's a... Where's error coloring? I wonder if we should not have generated light maps. I don't know. Oh, you found it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There it is. Minimum light map resolution 64. Source light map index. So what are we supposed to change? Well done, sir. Oh, try recompile normals. First checkbox there. Recompiling is always a good thing. I have no idea what that does. Recompute. Use compute weighted normals. Remove degenerates. I don't like degenerates. Remove them. Build adjacent. But I get no idea. No. You want to remove degenerates. We don't want no degenerates. Come on, man. Click it. I'm saying we want to remove degenerates. Come on, man. Use high precision tangents and check those two boxes. Use tangents and use full precision UVs. I wish I could click on your stream. All right, there you go. And then there's a button there that says apply changes. All right. I got no idea what that just did, but I feel good. I feel good about it. Do you feel good? All right, let's try building it again. See how Tim's doing. Tim is left a green dot out there, all unloved. It's a green dot just sitting down there. I'm streaming. Everything okay? Great. All right. Glad you guys are back.
I want to say hi.
Hey, nice shades, dude. My son is a comedian. All right. So, dude, I've been streaming. When would I seen the videos? It's like you've never streamed before. It's amazing. Coming in, yelling, paying any attention. I thought I was dealing with professionals here. All right, so Pastor James, that didn't do nothing to it. Or did it? Is it doing something? Did it do nothing? No. Well, I mean, technically, go back to it's under lighting results. I don't know what to tell you, dude. I mean, we fuddled with it. What's it saying? Okay, these settings can be used anytime to generate a light map event or repack existing ones. The tool uses a repacking algorithm to generate the light maps based on the sort light map index and stores the new specified destination light map. The algorithm repacks the UV charts, source maps, does not cut them. You can feel free to scroll down anytime you want. I'm sitting here scrolling on my mouse, it's not working. Stores in a new specified destination light map index. The algorithm repacks UV charts specified light map index. Does not cut or split them in the process. Keep this in mind when creating light map UVs by doing a little bit of upfront work in your modeling software or UV editing software. You can get good results by splitting the UV charts before importing. Custom light maps. For the majority of static messages, be able to use the auto-generated light map UV because a good result can be achieved with minimal effort. However, for those times when it's not possible to have auto-generated ones, there is no reason why we can't use the auto-generated. The question is, why are the auto-generated ones befuddled? So go back to Unreal Engine, the mesh. Oh, you didn't save it, sir. Well, see that little star right next to it? That means this file's not saved. If you generate it without the file saved, your change is never gonna. Remember that Control-Shift-S is your friend? Did you hit it? Oh, look at that. All right, let's try it again. And we'll switch back over to Tim. How are we doing? Tim's got the got Uno in there. So don't what have you done to this thing? You've completely destroyed it. All right, let's see how Pastor James is doing. Oh, I can see the errors like bubbling up. Yeah. So click back on light map results. Ugly. All right, go back to our mesh there. I'm assuming those aren't going to go away. So what's under UV? Like when you drop that button down up there? The toolbar. Okay, you get UV channel 0, 1, and then 2. So try UV 0, what happens? Oh. Well, yeah, say remove selected. Yes. Then okay. Now delete the other ones. Hit let me try selecting 2 first. See the red? The red is the issue. See that red stuff? Those are where the overlaps are. I got no idea what that actually means. So drop down the UV and select number. You can't do anything there. At least I don't think so. So try number 2 to start with. Try channel 2. Ooh. Channel 2 looks okay. Try channel 1. No red there. All right, try channel 0 or channel whatever it was. Obviously, that's a problem because it's got red. Red means red is bad. So how do we get rid of red? How do we get rid of that one? Source light map index. On the right-hand side, source light map index, change that to from 0 to 1. And hit apply changes. Now see if you can delete that light map. It's on the drop down. It says remove selected. Yes, please. Bam! Can I say bam again? Because that was a bam. All right, now save this bad boy. Let's build. Feeling good? Feeling good? All right. All right, while you're building, I'm going to go check out Tim's stream and see what he's screwed up so far. But what is this? What are you doing? I thought you were in Unreal Engine. Bring it in. Why is it? What is this? Tim, what are you doing? What are you doing? But you're not selecting the cannon right now. You're selecting the turret head. Can you hit Control A? You're welcome. Well, you didn't say it. You wanted to select everything. You didn't say you wanted to unselect. Well, you didn't. You got to be specific, dude. Come on, man. So you should be able to click and drag over just the head section. So hit Escape, which will unselect. Oh, there you go. That unselect. Now drag, like click off of it, like out to the side there. Yeah. Well, yeah, but you're going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You got to maybe look at it from the, try to look at it from the front, like a fixed angle. Like, oh, so close. All right, well, I'll let you do your thing. Pastor James, how's the build coming? No, it still didn't work. You're kidding. That should have worked. That should have worked. Why didn't it? You saved it. Why didn't it? That's the UV right there. We did it. Why are you being like that? Can we? We're on lot 0. You're switching to materials. That's not good. You got it. Good. I don't know why you're typing when you could just say it out loud. Like we're all here. Go back to UVs again. And switch to 1. All right, we'll switch the source light map index to 1. And then delete 0. Apply. I wonder if it's because we brought in light maps. You know what I mean? I wonder if we just brought in without light maps, it would be happier. All right, switch back to 0 and delete that one. I'd like just to delete them all if we could. I'll try to remove that one. Ooh. Remove currently selected UV. Yeah, yes. So switch to 1. Drop it down. Why can't we remove these? So yeah, less than helpful. Showing UV channel 1 for lot 0. Switch to none again. Drop it back down. What's under the mesh options on the top toolbar? Hey, DJ. DJ is in the house. Mesh, top left-hand corner, menu option. Menu. There you go. Drop mesh down. But that's not helpful. Right, asset. Since when do you call me DJ? When your name is DJ Peta right there. Cut me some slack, Kathy. I'm focused right now. We're trying to figure out why we got overlapping UV light maps. Goodness me. Some people. Let's see here. Re-import SM Lite. No, we don't want to do that. So we were able to get rid of one light map. I don't understand why I can't get rid of the other ones. Go back to the UV thing. Toggle display. See where it says minimum light map resolution? Try bumping that up to the 72 there. And change the destination light map index to 0. And sure, apply those changes. Hola, Ramiro! How's it going, dude? I mean, it's the same thing as Twitch, but okay. It's not the same thing as Twitch. That is not the exact name that shows up in Twitch. Thank you very much. I know the name that shows up in Twitch, and that's not it. I'm going to have to look it up now. Yeah, I would try. I would try. Yeah, that's just what I thought. See, Kathy's like, it's the same thing as Twitch. No, 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 no. No, it's not, because in Twitch it says that. Thank you very much. All right. So you want to click on light results. That's here. Ramiro says it going good, brother. Just in my room, working out, getting some reps in. All right. Oh, DJ, como adamas? I don't know what adamas is. Mr. Peter, sir, please don't make fun of me. Oh, no. Apparently, I can't make fun of Kathy. I can't joke with my daughter. I can't joke with Kathy. The only people I can joke with is you and Tim now. No more making jokes. What did we change? Oh, you're kidding. Okay, well, let's try dropping down the resolution. Why are you so depressed about it? Because I like joking with people. Like, all I got. I quit. Just living life on the side of Christ. Amen, amen. Try dropping that down to like, I don't know, 48. Or what would, it's going to be increments of 8. So good. Try that. Light changes. Does it? Oh, go back to it. Go back to it. Try switching it to light maps destination index 0. Change that to 1. No, the one below it. That's not it. Change that back to 0. Change that to 1. Hit, I guess. Yeah, hit apply. Change that index above it to 1. Hit apply. I got, just so we're on the same page, I have no idea what we're doing. We're just clicking stuff, hoping something's going to happen. Majority of my development. Hit apply. Clicking to see what happens? I wouldn't say that. Also, sir, I got stomped in the foot at football practice twice on the same foot in the same place. So I can't wear shoes now. There's no point. Why are you, Kathy, in football practice? See a problem there? Oh, it's soccer? Oh, I forgot. Soccer's football. All right. Fair enough. Control A. And Pastor James, you didn't save it. I can see the star on there, meaning it wasn't saved. Hit cancel. Football is soccer for Control Shift S is your friend. It's fun, that's why. But getting stomped, I was thinking like football, like American football, real football, not the fake stuff you guys are talking. All right, let's. You gotta help me out, brother. You gotta like fully shift. No, Control A is select all. Control Shift S is save all. Come on, you can do it. No idea what you're clicking on. It's fun. No, getting stomped in the foot is not fun. Oh, hey, we're up to 73%. Do we get extra points when we get up to 100%? I got no idea what we're doing. But we're making something's changing, right? I'm not sure why it's going up though. Like we changed it the other way, it should be going down, right? Let's see here. Tell you what, why don't we try importing it again without importing light maps? Like import a new mesh and see if we can do it without light maps. If that makes Pero something. It's not Italian. That's Spanish. Come on, man. No, they don't understand. I was wearing my Spanish shirt yesterday. They all missed it. My Dios. Good job, sir. Thank you, Kathy. Sir, si decimos que no tenemos pecudo, nos enigamos. Nosotros mismos, la verdad no está en nosotros. All right. Try that one that says compute normals rather than import them. All right, let's go. All right, once that's imported, let's not worry about the fact that it doesn't have, well, I guess we got to switch it to the right meshes. So do that same mesh thing. I'm causing Kathy to vomit in the back of her mouth with how bad I'm speaking Spanish. Okay, I'm going to go before I forget. I love it. She says, I'm going to go before I forget how to Spanish. How to Spanish? We must learn how to Spanish. I mean, how to speak Spanish? You got to go. There you go. Wrong one, but that's okay. What are you doing? You're getting it down, Pastor James. She's actually leaving because I butchered her language so bad. Kathy's out of here. She's like, I can't take it anymore. You've completely destroyed the Spanish language. I am out of here. Good. Dude, that thing looks completely jacked up. You got the UVs backwards or something. So not the UVs, the materials backwards. You got 2 on 1 and 1 on 2 because yeah, like that just there you go. You still got another one you got to flip around. It's kind of funny because basically materials they act like I don't know if you've ever seen what's it called screening, like when you do a screen on a part or something like that. Liquid screening, I think it's called. Anytime you're ready to click that arrow, that'd be awesome. It's the second one. There you go. All right, much better. So now, just so we're here, drop down that UV button and switch to 0 and see if it looks okay. Ah! That looks bad. Switch to 1. I mean, that looks better, but you know. So I'd save it and let's try to generate. It's red, but I don't know. Save it and let's see what happens. Have a good day, sir. God bless. Kathy's out of here. Everybody's gone. What are you saying there, brother? Go ahead and you saved it, Pastor James. Go ahead and oh, you can't do a build yet because we got to switch it over to this mesh. So yeah. Go to the editor. Like minimize this view. We got to go to the blueprint. So just click on that light in your view. and then click on the Edit SM Light Blueprint. Or yeah, you can click that too. Or you can click that one. There you go. All right, go to the viewport. That would be components. Go to the viewport. It's a tab. No, down a level. Tabs within tabs. There you go. All right. So that looks kind of jacked up in there. Oh, it's because it's the wrong one. All right. Click on static mesh component on the left side in the components list. That would be the variable list and functions list. Go up to the component list. Bingo. Yeah. All right. Switch that to beam 2. Or 7 or whatever you did. Oh, that looks really messed up. All right, hit the, see the little arrow there that's like a, nope, down. The yellow arrow. Nope, stop. You're in the right spot. Yes. Yep. Undo. Yep. Reset to default. Reset the other one to default. And reset the last one to default. All right. Hit save or compile, I mean. All right. Good Lord willing. We fixed it. I have no idea. Let's try and build to it. What's the worst that happens? It blows up. Yes, please. Did you save it? Please tell me you saved everything. Still waiting on you, Tim. Where's our theology stuff, man? Come on. Where's our theology, man? Just saying. Theology Thursday, and you've asked no theological questions. Kathy totally let us down, didn't ask any theological questions. But Ramiro is here, no theological questions. Oh! Because it's God's word. Why is it still 73%? I don't understand. If we brought in a new... So what? No, but what I'm saying is, why is this the exact same amount of overlapping UV if we brought in a brand new mesh? Yeah, but the map isn't the issue. It's the So for an example, go back to the blueprint. All right, click on static mesh component and change that static mesh to something else. Just change it to a box. Something easy. Anything. Just pick one. There you go. All right, go ahead and compile. Now build lighting again. That's what's so cool about meshes. You can swap them out just like paint. Just mesh. Doesn't matter. Swap it out. Is it the material that's on it that's the issue? No, it's completely that's completely separate. The light down at the spotlight. Yeah, that's different than the U. To be honest with you, I still don't understand the UV maps. But you'll notice now we got no errors. So it is specifically the static mesh that's the issue. So See, all gone. That bug is mine. I still don't know. So go back to the static mesh or the blueprint. Swap that back out to the our light post. Now, go ahead and compile that. And go to the static mesh beams 07 that's there. Up at the top, the tab. So go to UV, the drop down, and go to UV 0. Now, it said remove selected. Can you click on those red boxes there? Because specifically see if you can find that red, like, I'm looking, right, and you're clicking on that and it's selecting something there. So can you find what it is that's the overlap? Yeah, like that right there. Now go to the UV and say remove selected. Yeah, it removed the whole shit thing. All gone. So drop your UV down again. Yeah, well, all we get is your UV 0 now. Overlay, and there, I mean, I'm not seeing a overlap there, so let's try saving it again and see what happens. So save. Well, I again no idea if we're making headway or not. There's no more red, so let's hope that fixes it. What I don't understand is we brought in a different mesh, but it's got the same UV map. Even though we said yeah, I don't know. But this is the kind of stuff where I know UV maps are important. And we still get a problem. Dog. All right, go back to it again. And we're not making any. I mean, it seems like we're making progress, but we're not. Just go ahead and hit cancel. You don't need to finish the build. All right, go back to 7. Now, here's the thing that I don't understand. Why is the can you remove this UV map too? Like, can you just remove them all? Like, go back to none. Now go to UV 0. Now click somewhere on there in the now click remove. See if we can remove that one too. No. So we can't completely remove UV. The thing is, there's no red there. You think like no red, everything's happy. Go to the side again where it had those build options. Yeah, it was down. Hold on, go back up again. Go back up. See where it says LOD auto? Drop that down and switch it to nothing. All right, so sections. Drop open sections. What's in there? Oh, that's interesting. Huh. Um, I gotta Dumb thing. Uncheck enable collision. On the 3 of those. Where it says enable collision. Like uncheck that box. Uncheck cast shadow on the emissive one. All right, now is there apply button still down there? But it's not going to take any changes. All right. So now hit save. And let's try another build. Where's our cool little dialogue? There we go. You had to click on it, didn't you? You had to click on it. If you hadn't clicked on it, maybe it would have been fine, but you had to click there. Please adjust content. Yeah, go ahead and cancel. Go ahead and cancel. Please adjust content. Go back to the thing. So does that give you a remove selected on the when you drop the thing down? No. All right, but switch it back to a second. See where it says number of LODs? Change that to 0. One more down. Can you change it to 0 or no? All right. So recheck that button that says generate light map UVs under the build options. Okay, you went right past it. Go down. Generate light map UVs. Now hit apply changes. Ooh, it did something. All right, now let's try it again. Save it. Control Shift S. I wish I understood what it was doing. Well, for those who've survived the rebuilding of light maps, Kathy did not survive the Spanish version. Oh, no, there it goes again. Why is it only 2, though? Oh, there we go. I'm like, there should be more than that. All right, well. Hey! We're making no progress. Awesome. What does that even mean? I wish I understood what it meant. But what does it mean? All right, well, and the funny part is it's nothing you can see on the map. Like if you look at the objects, everything looks okay. We got a little bit of a weird, oh, that's not even on the map. So, all right, well, you go ahead and you saw what we were doing. Just keep kicking it, I guess. See what you can figure out. That's funny. They've got the pipe going into the middle of that unit. Pastor James needs to get on this. Thing is seriously wrong. Huh. What's funny is I moved that and it did not make it better. Yeah, you can see my screen. Apparently it's snapping. Huh. Not? Oh, I'm sharing. You're just not looking at my YouTube channel. Oh, you want to see it on here. All right, that makes sense. All right. I was just looking at this tube and it's a spline, and splines are really cool, but it's a all or nothing kind of spline here, so I don't know what I can do to just. Huh. Did you get it, Tim? That is a very big topic, sir. That should, I mean, it's kind of gonna bug me. Well, anyways, um, you weren't messing with the map, right? Or were you? All right, I am going to revert, changed. Let's see here, revert. Fresh. Oh, wait, undo my changes. Reload. There we go. Okay. So I've got your changes that you put in. Let's see if I got any left. All right, no. All right. So while we're all here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a build. So switch to project, build configuration server. That bad boy out, select that. Go to server A. And we're going to kill this. Ooh, look at that. Chapter verse. Coming in loud and clear with the gospel. Nice. Go. Shutting that bad boy down. Okay. So now that that's building, go to the build directory. Boom. Server. The thing is, you get those big errors, and then you're like, what does it do? Like, I don't understand what zip problem is. Oh, did need to modify the lightning. A little close. I think I am going to make that change, sir. While I got you on line and change the lightning distance. Okay, lightning flash intervals good, but I kind of made this close to. So leave these were zeros out. We'll add 1 0 there. Change this to like this. All right, we'll save that out. I don't think that should matter because I'm assuming that's a. I guess it will. Lightning flash. Spawn lightning flashes during snow. You bet, man. We want lightning flashes during snow. All right. Build. I still haven't figured out how the versioning works. Because normally with files like this, you should be able to look at a version property, but it's always the version of the Unreal Engine, which is interesting that it doesn't match either. 4.2.6.1. Huh. That is interesting. I wonder if I didn't get the latest Unreal Engine. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we get a problem there. Shut this down. Branch. Discard all changes. And pull all those down. I have to rebuild the energy. That could explain why we're having some issues. I like that. Bling origin. Hang on. Pastor James and Tim, this is a joint stream and I'm not hearing anything. Hold on. You can, while you're watching, you can, oh, you're waiting? Oh, we're pulling that down. Let's take a look at Tim. All right, where's Tim at? Watching stream. All right. So, you got your turret in there? What are you doing, man? All right. So, where's your blueprint? Hit full blueprint editor. Open full blueprint editor. It's a toggle button at the top there. Like, not a toggle button, it's a hyperlink. So. Note, this is data only blueprint, so default values are shown. If does not have any scripted variables, if you want to add some, open full blueprint. Dude, I just read the. No, you need to open the full blueprint editor. Open the full blueprint editor, please. I literally like read the entire line out to you. Well, you can put on success only. That would be handy. All right, now open the full blueprint editor. Keep going. Oh, you were so close. You were so close. Like, so much better now. All right, go to viewport. Okay, so there's your turret. We were just here a little while ago. All right, so you need to add the rest of your turret. So go to add component, and you're going to add another static mesh. You're right, but you still need it there. So add static mesh. And set that one to your, call that, I don't know what you want to call it. Go. Okay, so the turret base in the static mesh property on the right, drop that down and select the static mesh that is the base. If you just type the name of it, it'll find it for you. That wasn't it. No, go back. Nope, that's not it. Go back to that box that you had open. Type in the name. Too much. There you go. All right. So you can, the problem is you got to you have them in reverse order. So go to your tree on the left and right click on turret base on the components and see if we can say, we want to flip them around. We want the base to be the turret and the turret to be on top of it. Because otherwise, if you rotate the turret right now, head, you'll rotate the base with it. So can you drag it up above it? No, not there on the screen. Drag it on the other side. You were just at component list. On the left. On the left. So drag that above, like drag or Like click it and see if you can drag it above the static mesh. Try dragging the static mesh below it. Okay, add another static mesh for the turret head and we'll swap it out. Okay, make that one, call it, I don't know, turret head. All right, now go to that first static mesh, the one that, now remove that. Go ahead and just say nothing. No, you can't delete it because it's a root component. So go over to the right and, nope, to the right side. I'm like literally pointing, but go to the right side, your military right. That's the left side. Go click on that one on the left and then go to the right. Like go to the right like you mean all the way to the right side of your screen. Right not being left. Hey, there you go. All right, slide down to static mesh and delete, like remove that. Say none. Just hit the reset button. Try that. There you go. Okay, now under turret head on the left-hand side, make that the turret head. Yes. Oh. We gotta go. So we're gonna wrap it up there. All right, guys, we're gonna stop streaming, and we will talk to you later. God bless your day.